Greetings, magical mavens. It's been about 2.5 years since I've created a set of junk journals for the Writing Witch shop. As you might know, I took a much needed break to just focus on other creative projects and just other areas of life. But this March, I got the inspiration again to craft a set of whimsical junk journals inspired by the spring equinox coming up. While I hadn't been actively crafting junk journals, I never stopped collecting scraps of paper, plastic, and fabric, so it was a lot of fun to evoke the inner child and play with all the pastel-colored and spring-themed bits and bobs that I'd been stashing. And not gonna lie, it was also part of a greater scheme of spring cleaning my art studio. And it feels like an energetic fresh start. Since it's been a very cold, dark winter with lots of serious things going on in people's personal lives and in the world, I thought it would be fun to lighten the spirits a bit with these playful and childlike journal designs. The vibe of this series evokes both the joyous inner child archetype and the loving energy of the spring goddess, a visual reminder to both nurture our childlike spirits and act as a nurturing force in the world around us. Each of these 6 unique journals has a different cover design, and the inner pages share an assortment of similar pastel papers. But each book contains its own one-of-a-kind pockets, tuck spots, and ephemera details, as well as some of my own printable spring equinox-themed writing pages, grimoire sheets, and journaling cards, some of which are normally not available anywhere outside of the Writing Witch Coven on Patreon. So if one of these one-of-a-kind journals speaks to you, I invite you to go to the link in the description and claim yours. In any case, enjoy this relaxing flip-through of one of my Ostara-themed journals. As you may know, I no longer offer my printable grimoire pages in the Writing Witch shop because we're officially working with those very closely in the Writing Witch Coven. I officially decided to take them down from the shop when I was creating the new tier on the Writing Witch Patreon that consistently focuses on the wisdom of the 8 Sabbats on the Wheel of the Year. and I realized that I wanted to update the designs as well as make some of the content just a little bit more powerful and approachable. And as I was discontinuing the dated version of these, I just removed them from the website and made them a special feature for patrons only. That being said, I did have some extra prints of some of my spring equinox grimoire pages, so I decided to throw a few of those scattered within these 6 journals as a special treat for whoever gets these. What I love about junk journaling is that I get to use a combination of things that I've created myself specifically for the purpose of journaling, along with other random items that might have ended up in the recycle bin or the compost or, heaven forbid, the landfill, and give them new life in whatever whimsical context I feel called. Obviously, some of the items that are in these particular journals will be totally one of a kind because they're just random things that I found and saved. But if you're really enjoying the vibe of these journals and you want to do your own paper crafts with some similar vibes, I invite you to check out the Writing Witch shop, where I have hundreds at this point of printable downloads of pages that I've designed in a varying assortment of magical themes. For this project, I had some extras of my old spring equinox themed writing pages, and I decided to include the last ones of them in these journals because while they are super cute, I've actually updated the listing for my official spring equinox themed writing pages with new old illustrations that I've since discovered in my image research that I feel represent the magic of the season in an even more direct way. So there's some of the new and some of the old included in this set of journals I created. But if you'd like to check out the new ones, I will put the link on the screen as well as list it down below, along with listings for any other printable sets that are featured in this video.